Alright. There you go. I have something new to teach. Yes. So we go to the creator. This is how to add. Add links. So we go to the channel. First of all, we have to go to our channel. Dashboard. Go to the channel. And this is what you will be seeing. Yan. So, first you have to type yan, display name. These are the things that are there. Nasa taas. Pin. Display name is Angelness 2008 and then the bio there. You can see. And add channel link. Yes. Social link. I have my YouTube. Add another social link. You can type another social link here. And paste here the social media link. Here. Yeah, the title for me. This is my YouTube. So I copied my YouTube link. This one. And then add another. This is my FB page. And copied my FB page link. It's here and then save. And then I'll put another one. I'll be opening my ano pa bang meron ako? Search. That's my YouTube already. So yun, madali lang. And then you'll be able to see this. This is the preview. Ayan. YouTube page. Andito na siya. Like in the YouTube, ganun din. Andito din. And when you click this one, it will open in another window. That is the Facebook page of LuvLiNes. Diba? Ang dali-dali. Ang galing-galing. So, my YouTube, click this also. When I click this one, it will be there. Okay. Coming to my nasa na yung channel ko. Let me see. Naka-dark theme ako. I like dark. This is white theme. I like it white. Mas maganda yung white though. It's it's comfortable. My comfort for me. It's like that. That's it. About run schedule duration. Going to my home. Home tayo, home. Welcome back, Angelness 2008. Step into the spotlight. I'm ready to roll. Okay, ganon. Stream is ready. Sunday, June 6, 9 to 6 p.m. In the community. May ganon. Get 5 people chatting at the same time. Reach 50 followers. Completing this achievement unlocks the ability to grant VIP status to members of your community. Talaga, VIPs have the ability to equip a special chat badge and chat in slow, sub-only, or follow-only modes. Requirements are evaluated over the last 180 days. Ay, gayon. Look at that. Stream summary. Ayan. Build the community. So, I need to have 5 people in the chat. And 50 followers. Which 101? Setting up your stream, 11 minutes. The basics, community guidelines, emojis, 5 minutes, copyrights, and jar channel. Auto mode, level 1, a little moderation. Auto mode is a moderation tool that blocks inappropriate or harassing chat with powerful moderator control. Auto mode detects misspellings and evasive language automatically. Ayan. Customize your channel page, edit profile. Ayan, mga kailangan. We just need 5 and 50 followers. 5 in the chat. Kailangan magkaroon ng 5 na tao sa chat. Doon. What's this? Alright. Ito muna ko. Tapusin ko yung aking Twitch. So, that's it. I'm going to my channel. Yun lang po. So what we see, your channel. I'm going to see what others see on my channel. Tingnan ko muna. Okay. Maraming salamat po. 6:32 in the evening. You're still here at LuvLiNes. Around the world. Nasaan na yan? Channel. Okay, ayan. So, this is already my YouTube channel. So, when you click that YouTube, it will open. And then the FB page, it will open. Yes. Alright. And then I will be adding my Twitch also in my YouTube. So, I'm going to copy this one. I add my YouTube in Twitch, and I'll be adding my Twitch in YouTube. Isasara ko na to. So, customize channel ako. Customize channel, I'll be adding my Twitch in my YouTube home. Alright. I'll be closing my FB. The Creator Studio Customization. Live streaming. Thank you so much for being here, everyone. Matagal. Let's continue. Alright. Basic info, branding. Oops. So we go here. Basic info. Channel URL, links, yeah, links, add a link. Okay, I'm going to add a link, and there's the link, and the title is Twitch. Okay, so there it is. And my Twitch, I'll be putting this. Where's the Twitch? Yeah. FB page, LuvLiNes. FB page. One. I just drag to rearrange. I drag to rearrange. So first channel is, first link is FB profile and messenger, next is FB page, and next is Twitch. So I'll be putting this here, Twitch second, and FB page on the first. So FB messenger on second. Twitch na lang sa first. Alright, Twitch, FB page, FB profile. And how many links will be seen on the banner? 3 links. 3 links, and it will be published. First is Twitch, and then LuvLiNes FB page. FB page. And then FB page, profile and messenger. Publish. There you have it. We'll view my channel. Okay, close this too. Tinginin sa channel. So this is how you add your links in Twitch and in YouTube. Ayan na. Okay. See, this is Twitch, and Twitch Facebook page, and Messenger. Tatlo na. Nauna na yung Twitch ko. So this is how you add. I already have my Twitch on my homepage in my banner. Okay, so that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'm still live. Thank you so much. How many people watching? 6 millionaires. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for being here at LuvLiNes. Around the world with love. Yes. Okay, let me close this one. Tony, maraming salamat sa pagturo. And everyone, thank you so much. Christina K, thank you. Vanna Lopez Dad, maraming salamat po sa thumbs up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, Mokens, good morning to you. Pasensya na, delay yung aking delay lang siya. Good morning, Esmokens. Good morning, si Christina Kate, official Esmokens, at Esmokens. Christina Kate, official. Hindi ako makapagano kung anong ginagawa ko kasi. So I just make a tutorial. Si kay Abs, gawa ka ng Twitch. Alam mo ko sa Twitch. Alright. BN4. Sino to? Before and after. Teka, mali yata ang pinuntahan ko. Naligaw na naman ako ng landas. Ewan ko kung kaninong yon premiere. Whose premiere was that? Kayo ba yan si kay Abs? Oh, Tony's Kittles. Connecting. Be right back. Ano ba yung ginagawa ni Tony? Okay, si kay Abs, Smokens. Nightbot, Smokens. Ay, ayun. Si kay Abs, maraming salamat po. Loading. Me, too much of the loading. Too much of a loading. Wildflower channel, hello. kay Abs, sa'yo ba itong inano mo? Baka iba yung inilabas ko. Mali yata yung doon, yung link na na-open. Kanino ba yun? Naligaw yata ako ng landas. Hindi ko alam, may na-open ako. Ikaw ba nagbaba nun si kay Abs? 611. Yan. Sa'yo pala yun. How to apply. It's already 30 degrees ang init. Yan, salamat. On Rush. 6:39 in the evening. Maraming salamat, On Rush. Tony. Follow me on Twitch. Yes, I love you, Tony. It's Alicia Shepherd. Love you, Mama Snow. Night, Mama Snow. It is 6:40 in the afternoon. Allah, look at this. I'm so slow. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here. Allah. Wait. Ang bango-bango, bebe. Excuse me. Excuse me po. Ang bango ng mo, naamoy ko. Alright. Para tayong may mata dito. You can see at the center, there's an island here. LuvLiNes. Oops. Hindi ko alam kung ano nandito ko nakalagay. Bango-bango, naamoy ko mabango. Amoy baby. Baby yung naaamoy ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Hindi ako makapag-share na ng matagal. Kasi matagal na akong kung ano-anong nilagay siguro. Alright. Sige, Abs, baby Abs, maraming salamat. 7 millionaires here. Magpapaalam na ako. Sige, Abs official. Thank you so much. 7 millionaires. Maraming salamat. It's 4:09 now. Yan. Baby Abs, nag-live ka na. Alicia Shepherd, go sleepies now. Love you, Mama Snow. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. O, sa Ogisawa. Sige, Abs. Alicia Shepherd. Muntik na akong mag-end ng stream. muntik nag-end stream yung mapindot ko. Ano ba yan? Yan. Ganitong gagawin ko because it's